Introducing Blue Sky Meadows, a distinguished 360-home community in Monroe, North Carolina. Meticulously developed by Century Communities, offering a diverse selection of 10 refined floor plans, including ranch-style and two-story residences, this community caters to a discerning range of preferences. Residents will enjoy upscale amenities such as a swimming pool, cabana, pavilion, and a playground, seamlessly integrated into the natural surroundings. Strategically located in proximity to shopping, restaurants, and the 74 bypass, Blue Sky Meadows exemplifies a sophisticated lifestyle. This premier neighborhood presents an exclusive blend of homes, upscale amenities, and natural beauty, making it an appealing choice for a diverse clientele seeking an elevated living experience. Want to learn more? Contact us today for your own personal tour. If you'd like to learn more about upcoming exclusive community tours, like this video and follow us on YouTube as well as our other social media platforms.